Imagine turning raw Excel data into a stunning interactive dashboard all in just a few minutes. Let's open Chrome and head to Claude AI. Paste the prompt provided in the video description. Claude AI will take 4 to 5 minutes to process and generate the dashboard file. So wait few time your prompt generate, and after see the magic of Claude AI. Once ready, download the file and return to your Excel dataset. So अब आपको Excel database पर आ जाना है और अब आपको वह डाटा ऐड करना है जो हमने Claude AI से डाउनलोड किया था. अब हेम डेटा पे क्लिक करे फाइल इंपोर्ट करना है. So once we adding this file, press Fn plus F11 to open the VBA editor, then import the downloaded file. Import your file and don't close directly. So अब directly close नहीं करना है. इस editor को close करने के लिए press करना है Alt plus F4 to save changes. Back in Excel, और अब home side में slicer add करना है. Go to the insert tab and select slicer. Slicer को अच्छा से adjust किया लेना है. अब slicer में home अपना dashboard का name add करना है. अब इसको center में लेना है और adjust कीजिए, size increase कर देना है और अब इसको bold कर देना ही. Customize it with a yellow background, shadow effects and a neat design. So our slicer button ready है. अब इसमें slicer format की help से थोड़े visuals देना है. So your button ready, just few second. अब last final, अब इस slicer पर right click करके assign into project वो file add रखना. So now assign the macro, select your file and press OK and double click to trigger the automation. Demo and magic moment. With just one click, Excel instantly builds a professional dashboard. You'll see KPI cards at the top, pivot tables summarizing your dataset, and interactive charts that highlight region-wise and product category-wise performance. Plus, a monthly recap section keeps your reporting crystal clear. Insights and benefits. This dashboard isn't just pretty, it's powerful. It updates automatically whenever your raw data changes, saving hours of manual formatting. Perfect for business sales tracking, student admissions analysis,